Here we go. Madam, what happened to you? Madam, wake up. Madam. Swara, what happened to her? I don't know. I heard a scream come from outside, so I came inside. And when I came, she was unconscious. Swara, what happened? Get up. Huh? You come here. Sit down. For how long she's been unconscious?
Baby.
Yes. Brother, she's calling you. Yes, tell me.
Water.
I'll get it. Here, drink some water. Are you okay? What happened?
I had a severe stomachache and I fell down.
I have told you so many times to take care of yourself. And thank you, brother. You came and saw her. It's okay. By the way, who are you? I'm your new neighbor. I shifted 3 days ago. Thank you, brother. What's the need to thank me? If the neighbors don't help, then who will? If you ever need anything, just let me know, okay? Okay, brother. Okay, I'll leave now. Goodbye. Take care of your wife. You too. I've told you so many times to take care of yourself, but you don't understand it.
I haven't eaten anything since morning. Maybe that's why I fell down.
You too. You just go inside and rest. I'll see what to do with the food. Swara, I am going to the office.
Hello? Baby, come. Sanju has left.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay.
Is your husband gone?
Yes.
Okay, did he become suspicious about yesterday?
No, there was no doubt. In fact, he made food for me yesterday.
Oh wow, he's such a fool, man. Everything was happening in front of him, and that fool couldn't understand anything.
Yes, he's a fool. He trusts me blindly.
You just keep this trust. Only then we'll be able to stay together.
Yes. Do you know, yesterday I was scared that he might find something about us. But you got the right idea at the right time. Now he'll see you as a good person.
Yes, that's true. Let's go inside the room.
Will you take me like this?
No. Madam, get up. What happened, madam? Brother, look, I don't know what's wrong with your wife. She's not getting up. Don't you think you should try some other method today? What do you mean? What do I mean? In a way, a person can be a fool only once, not again and again. Brother, you are saying anything. Look, your wife is not getting up. Do something. Wake her up. Madam, get up. Yes, I'll do it. Sora, get up. I've heard everything you guys were talking. Stand up quietly. Are you standing or should I send him to the police? You were unconscious.
Actually, I was not feeling well, so I just called him. He came yesterday as well to help me.
Yes, he came yesterday, today as well. And I don't know how long he's been helping you.
No, he came here for the first
Tell
time
me the truth,
yesterday.
for how long it's been going on?
2 months.
Oh. So you are becoming a housewife like this. You are living in a house and becoming someone else's wife.
No, there is nothing like that. He's just my good friend.
Okay. You are a friend? Then why did you have to do all this yesterday and today, all this bullshit?
I was scared.
You are scared? Look, I have found out the truth now. Talking to the both of you means spoiling my own mind. Where do you live? Oh, in Sector 11. Sector 11? You said that I'm your neighbor? I lied. Okay. Do one thing, both of you, just get out of here and become 9 to 11 for Sector 11.
No, I want to live with you.
How is that possible? If you live with me, you will have to meet him every day. Now, how will you call him? The best way is to stay with him. You won't have to call him. Stay with him for 24 hours. Ah, no, I can't keep her with me. I have a wife, my child, everything. How will I keep her? Eh? What happened? Didn't you know that he's married?
No.
It's good, no? That you cheated on me and he cheated on you. Now you will know. Go.
Forgive me, I did very big mistake.
There is no forgiveness of this mistake. Just get out of my house.
Please forgive me.
Get out of this house before I get angry.